Morning, my people. Good morning, my fans, followers. Good morning, human rights defenders. Yes, so pikin when he say him mama and him papa not go sleep for night, I believe say that pikin also was not sleeping. No, yeah, because any pikin when he sleep, him mama go sleep. Any pikin when he not sleep, him mama not go sleep. You know if you tell your mama say, I no go let you sleep, make that pikin self dey sleep. Augusta, AIG that is presently in Alagbon, FCID or how they call it, Annex in Alagbon. The present AIG as I speak today being the 20 whatever you may call it, the present AIG there today. Let me get today's date right. (22nd of February 2024). Her name is by position she's AIG, Assistant Inspector General of Police. They reported a marital issue against me in her office. Instead, she sent police down to my house to pack all my valuable properties, which is not a criminal offense, a misunderstanding, infidelity, a cheating case, a suspect between husband and wife. Between husband and wife. She sent down her police not knowing that she's a friend to Rose. I was wondering what kind of unprofessional work could be this before I later find out. Goedemorgen.
Beste reizigers, welkom in de sprinter naar Zwolle. Het eerstvolgende station is Zwolle.
Not knowing that she's a friend, an old friend to Rose Owele Ame. They park when I mean the only things they could not carry is things that cannot enter their vehicle. Anything called juries, document, name them. They took everything away. To an extent, Supo Musa took this purse because I hung my jeans. I hung my jeans trouser somewhere in that room on the door. Jeans trouser is for man. We know we have jeans trouser for women. Coupled with the fact that my identity, everything is always here. Because of Euro, I say na queen. Oh, I say anywhere you see Euro, queen reported dollar rather. So anywhere you see Euro, have to be queen's home. I said, but look at my everything on there. So he now hold the purse again. Okay, he will return it. While returning this purse, Musa, that was sent by AIG Augusta, did not. He returned my purse emptily. Over 750 euros. 750 euros with some change. He returned my purse emptily. Musa, you return my purse without money inside. As we are still dragging.
Deze bedoel.
Yeah. So Musa returned my purse and we are still dragging that money as we speak now, which has not refunded my money to me. Over 750 euros, and at that moment 750 euro per euro was like 1,800 and some fraction of figures. So Augustina, you sent your men to come and rob me, and the evidence are there. They came to rob me. Then as I keep on waiting for them to take me to the AIG, because I don't want to go to your office uninvited, which I have the right to do so. It's a public office. I waited to an extent it's getting to the period I need to go. They were not even the one that invited me to listen to me. She now forcefully invites me now because I also wrote a petition to go and claim what belongs to me in one of my office, Allen Avenue, number 93. Then that one now bother her because she's a friend to Rose, and now begin to call that I should come and want to see me. I thought she want to talk as a person in that position. He now begin to say, so I've been hearing about you. Why the property? Why are you running after property? I say, what? Madam, what are you talking about? Who and who is running after property? That you people have came to empty my house. Rosa came to empty my house and still take your assistant to make sure she claim rest of the things that belongs to me. So we begin to have an argument. She now forced me that I must bring the Rose and my children back to Nigeria. I said, madam, it's not possible. You can tell your Rose to come back to Nigeria, not my children, if they are truly mine. That was how we left unconclusive. And when they now say, those Rose people say I'm bribing police, I say, were you there? Then she now utters something that, if I want to give her money, she will not reject it though. Indirectly, you are telling me I should bribe you. I refuse. The same Augustina now, AIG Talagmo, now went ahead without even informing or inviting me in any way. She now released all the property that I was even hoping that the government will do justice to it and let know who owns them. She now go ahead and release everything, including the one I recovered with police. She go ahead and return, release it to them. And the most, I don't know whether the most autocracy or whichever other I will call it, that I feel so like we must go to court about. Before releasing it, Musa now called me. They say Musa the traitor, Musa the informant now called me to know if I'm in Nigeria. They just wanted to know so that they can quickly do it. He said, what? He said, your location. As a police people, I don't give them my location. And I say, I'm in Nigeria. It's okay, you're in Nigeria, that means it will not work. It's okay. And they are going to release, AIG secretly want to release your property to Rosso. You can come around, but don't come to him. Don't let them. I said, oh my God, I'm not in Nigeria. He said, okay, you're not in Nigeria. It's okay. You can send lawyer, but don't let lawyer come to his office. Don't let lawyer talk to him about it. Just go and wait at AIG. I said, no, if the lawyer go there and wait, the lawyer will be waiting because it's not AIG that will go and release it. It's the IPO that will be releasing it to them. And that sense foul play. But because I felt he was doing a nice job by giving me information, I actually sent lawyer. Lawyer went there. Lawyer didn't see any of Rose family. Lawyer waited, and lawyer have to submit that court paper again. You people received this court paper before. So if you claim that you have not seen it, this is it again from legal stamp again. They just collected it, not knowing that this IPO is already releasing it behind. It just pushed us for we not to be aware or not to know when they are doing this. The same IPO Musa. Then when they waited in the evening, they have to go back. And I call Musa the whole day. He didn't pick. The following day I call. He said all your properties has been released to Rose. I say, are you joking or what? I sent my lawyer down there. He said to my lawyer, I asked him to come yesterday. Why didn't he come to me, come to the office? If he have come to the office, they wouldn't have released it. He would have do this, do that. I said, this same man who said we should not come to his office so that people will not know how we get to know that they are releasing it. This is the same man that is saying this nonsense. Now I understand. Musa, throughout the night yesterday, I didn't sleep. I never wanted you to sleep. I call you throughout the night. You are blocking my line. I'm calling you with international number that you cannot block. You will not know peace until you return. You will use your own hand to return my property. And there are other things that I will be pushed to talk when the time comes. And I told you that you, according to you, you are retiring ending of this year, yes, or early next year. You have just a year in the service, or less than 12 calendar months. I also say I have the power with evidence to dismiss you few days to your retirement. As for your senior corrupt officer, a manipulator, AIG Augusta Ogbodo, the law will serve you woto woto. And I will so publish you that I will publish you to UN. I will so protest that I will protest here and place your banner and picture everywhere in this country. Since it's only Nigeria, you people make this kind of shit and you go away with it. Both in Nigeria and abroad, I will make you popular. Both in Nigeria and abroad, I will make you popular, Augusta. I will make you popular, Augustina. This is your good morning. Woto woto. I am on my way to Spain to go and rest my brain for at least 2-3 days. To rest my brain. So when I'm done, I will be back to you while the legal team is already on ground. Even though the law doesn't work in Nigeria, my own will work, because I am the law. My protest against you will be even more superior than the law that is not performing in Nigeria. That is Augusta. You will also not sleep. I'm also going to call you right away. I called you throughout the night. I am still going to call you right now. I'm going to call you right now, Augusta. You will not sleep with your eye closed in this case until you return my valuable, all my properties. You will not sleep. Oh. So I'm going to call you right away. So Anya, Moses, you are not sleeping yet. Ovakbo. Happy weekend. Yeah, to you, man. I beg. I displayed number of the AIG yesterday for all peace lover and people that are for justice. I'm not asking for much. I don't want anybody to love me. Those who choose to love me for whatever reason, they should call Augusta and ask her to return my properties back to my house. They should chat her. They should send her a message she didn't pick. And as you do that, you should app me that yes, I have reached out to her. That is why we repeat this number again. You don't just follow me as a monetary spirit. You have to know you are with me, and you must be with me if you are with me. So if you are not with me, you must not be with me. Watch me secretly. Like all this apropos copying my using fake account to copy me. Even though they are not using fake account, they hide and copy because I don't see any one blogger that is doing well. So I am not asking those that are hiding not to hide, but anyone that show face, it means you belong to me. So you're showing face, you have to ask Augusta question, if you can type, just type and send to her WhatsApp, because she will not pick. Now that she knows she don't shit for market, you can still try, but she will really not give you much time to talk. So if you try, she pick, say return Prince Olushola, the human rights activist, Rose ex-husband. Even when you say Rose, he go no. Why did you release my document to Rose? Why did you release his document to Rose? Or even lay down, why did you release his document and property to Rose? She will understand. Okay. If you don't have my number, you can have it now. Which is
Het volgende station is Zwolle. Station Zwolle. Eindpunt van deze
just hold on the line. I'm going to avail you my number.
Schiphol Airport voor Kampen, voor Roosendaal, voor Enschede en voor Utrecht Centraal.
Mag ik vragen?
Zeker mag dat mee.
Naar Schiphol. Wel lekker.
Nou, zal ik dat even voor je opzoeken?
Ja, graag.
Ik denk spoor 5 of 7. Ook ertussenin. Maar ik ga even voor je. Die even pakken. Spoor 3.
Spoor 3.
Ja.
Oh, is ook Springtime? Of
Nee,
Intercity.
Intercity. Spoor 3 om 7:16.
Oh ja, bijna.
Dat is zometeen naar voren lopen, naar beneden en de eerste weer naar boven.
Yes, bedankt.
Ja? Alsjeblieft man.
Dank. So my telephone number, my WhatsApp number, if you don't have it, you can put +234, because most people following me, they're based in abroad. When you put +234, you now put 9060291622. And I'm also going to avail you the AIG's phone. The AIG's phone, I'm going to bring it up now. So I'm going to, the first number I gave, that is my number. So I'm going to avail you.
Ik maak hem net wakker.
So.
Laat je ballen houden net als opa. Die lekkere wijn en dan moet je uit en
Ja, ja.
Anders mis je.
Ja.
Die trein moet je hebben.
Oh, die trein.
Hallo, hallo.
Oké. Oh, 6 minuten. Dank u wel.
Doe er even mee. Ja,
Yes.
kom meteen naar beneden.
Ja.
En dan moet je even kijken hè, op het bord waar die heen gaat.
Yes.
Hoi jongens, even rustig aan. Er zijn meer mensen hoor.
heel fijn. Ik heb ook een soepje zitten.
Naar beneden.
Is.
Daar en dan weer naar boven. Ja?
Is goed, bedankt hè.
En dan spoor 3 hè?
Oké.
En kijk op het bord hè.
Ja,
Schiphol, hè?
is goed, dankjewel. Give me a few minutes. Hold on, please. Let me catch my train first. Okay, the Augustina number is 080-330-68415. The Augustina number is 080-330-68415. That is her number. If you know your purpose of joining me this morning is for me, you need to ask her some questions. If you know your purpose of joining me is for me, if you are for me, you need to ask her some questions. Yes. I'm going to print her and paste in every popular train station. I'm going to paste you there. So I'm going to stop this video now and call Augustina. She have to wake up to see problem. She have to wake up to see how injustice look like. Yes, she have to wake up and see how problem looks like. Until she refund and return all my properties and documents, she will not sleep with her two eye closed. She will wake up to hear problem and see problem. So I'm going to call her now, because this one a wahala she collects. I called her through the night. At the time she should not put off her phone. You never enter, Augustina. You just the enter. So the problem other people have tasted and corrected their brain to be doing good job. You've not tasted it. Maybe you are highly connected, pushed to this rank of yours and the office that you never know how it existed. How it's existing rather. You thought it's just enter office, you turn it to your kitchen.